Good afternoon, good morning, how are you? All right. Where are my volunteers? Raise your hand. All right. What I'd like to do at this time, please file up, walk, don't run through the side wings there and fill in the chairs behind me and give them a big round of applause as they come up on stage. Start. You will sit up in your chairs. Your eyes will remain closed, but you will be conducting tonight's performance of the New York Philharmonic Orchestra. And the more you conduct, the more the audience will clap and cheer for you because they are here to see you. So get ready. Conduct that orchestra on 1, 2, 3. Conduct that orchestra, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jeff J, and I do these hypnosis shows all around the...
Oh, crap!
That's your opinion. I'm Jeff J. Thank you for coming. And you may be seated, because we're going to start the hypnosis show in just a moment. Well, we have some special guests with us. Would you stand for me, sir? And would you stand up as well? And what is your name? And what do you do here at the school? Teach? And how about you?
Mandy.
What do you teach?
I don't.
Oh, you're a principal, okay. Well then you guys must be pretty good at math, right? Do me a favor, Mandy, hold up your hands. Remember what we talked about? Hold up your hands and spread your fingers. As I count your fingers, you'll count them out loud. Ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
We'll do it a little faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You always had 11 fingers, man.
Nope.
So cold. Now the sun's coming back up, no longer hot, no longer cold, just relax. Sleep way down, sleep. We're gonna take another trip, but this time. My volunteers, what was your name? Bradley, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi to Bradley. It's bad or honest?
Laughing.
Who's the victim? Point him out. Cease and desist. And tell them they're going to get fined. How much is the fine? $1. $1. Bypassing any unpleasant memories, we're taking you back, way back into time, to a time when you're all 4 years old. You will all be 4 years old when I count you up from 1 to 3. You will talk to me. I'm not a stranger, but when you do talk to me, you remember what it's like to be 4 years old. I need my assistant in here, please. All right. Years old. And eyes open. Hi, Mr. Jeff. What's your name, young lady?
Mandy.
How old are you, Mandy? And what do you like to play with, Mandy?
Barbies.
And what do you want to be when you grow up, Mandy?
A princess.
A princess, right? I have a crown for a princess here. And we're going to give you a princess crown. Hi, tell me your name. What's your name? What is it? Ryan, how old are you? What do you want to be when you grow up, Ryan? A teacher. We have a special class to give you extra sensory powers, and you can see everybody. Put on your glasses there, and you'll be Teacher of the Year. Hi, tell me your name. The judges love you so much that they called the judges from Dancing with the Stars to come in and do you because Dancing with the Stars is going to offer you.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. I need no stars too. But I can shake it like I'm supposed to. 'Cause I got that boom boom that all the boys shake. All the right jumping, all the
To bring back Prince, ladies and gentlemen. What do you want to be when you grow up? All right, great. Take your right arm, hold it up in the air, and this is very important. To make sure your blood is back to your brain, hold your right arm across your body, cross it behind your body, in front of your body, and everyone take a big deep bend at the waist, and all this applause is for you. Everyone, 5, totally refreshed. Open your eyes, look up here at me. Why do you have goggles on, sir? You can take those off, you can take your hat off. In fact, you can all take your disguises off and set them on the chairs. How many of you were hypnotized? Nobody? How many of you have videos and photos out there, okay?